Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Excellent location close to community pool and clubhouse. Very spacious with enclosed patio and inside laundry with full-size washer and dryer that adds extra square footage. Accordion shutters, newer AC and Ring doorbell. Easy to show and sell.